Today I thought I would kick off this new year on my channel in our new home. We're going to decorate and clean for Valentine's Day, so I'm very excited about that in my new house. And welcome back to my channel. If you haven't noticed, we are standing in a new environment. So, and the reason for that is we moved recently. So if you noticed that I hadn't put much up on this channel, that would be why, because we were in the middle of moving. So today I thought I would kick off this new year on my channel in our new home. So if you have not seen our house tour, I did do that, an empty house tour over on my Love Jar Vlogs vlog channel. And I did that a few months back. I think it's under a playlist called House Tour, but it's in some of my more recent videos over there as well. So if you're curious about that at all, you're welcome to check it out over there. I don't think I'm going to be doing any sort of house tour on this video or on this channel, but you'll see some of the new scenery along the way. We moved states as well, which was kind of interesting. Not that we're far away from where we were before, but yeah, we're in a whole new state. We're in Illinois, so that's been a little bit of an adjustment and some changing. So yes, I should start having some more regular videos up on this channel for you to enjoy. The format may look a little bit different because recently I haven't put up much but haul videos on this channel. I can't talk today. I haven't put a whole lot on this channel recently other than haul videos. So I would like to update that format a lot. I will still continue to put hauls on here. But I think we'll do some cleaning, some decorating, maybe some homeschool. I do a lot of that over on our Love Jar Vlogs channel. But I may be doing some things with my writing as well. So if you didn't know, I am a writer and I'm currently in the process of writing the 5th book in my series. So if you're ever curious about any of that, you can check it out in the description box down below. Right now, let's get started on, we're going to decorate and clean for Valentine's Day. So I'm very excited about that in my new house. So let's do that and you can kind of get an idea of what the new house is like if you haven't watched the house tour.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me. Take me back, all the way back to them days. Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace, daydreamer.
Okay, so I've got the dishwasher unloaded. I have a checklist of, I'm gonna mark that off on my phone. I have a checklist of weekly and monthly things that I go over. You'd never know it to look at my kitchen today. But to be fair, we had a party here and then we just had a busy week with swim classes and ballet, and it's just been back and forth homeschool, getting settled back into all of the things that we need to get done in a week. So, and it, like I said, it actually looks worse than it is because I've got some recycling up on the counter and a few like party bags that need put away and stuff like that. So shouldn't take long to clear out some breakfast from this morning, stuff like that over there. So, and that is the dining room area if you have not seen it yet. I'll probably take you over there when I'm decorating later today. Anyway, that's what's going on. That's what we have to get done today. And yeah, let's get the dishwasher loaded. That's the next thing on my list. I've already started my sheets this morning because those needed washed. So I stripped my bed this morning. I've got those in the wash machine. I'll probably do some towels today yet. I think I'm gonna wash whites today on top of sheets, but we'll see, because I think I'm gonna strip the kids' beds too. So it may just be all sheets today, and I'll pop in some laundry like in between taking a break tomorrow from writing. So, all right, let's get back to this kitchen, shall we?
You're a lonely sailor, and your soul is made of wind and rain, doubts and blame. I'm a weary pirate, and my heart is made of dust and grain and spoiled champagne. I've got troubles, I've got sins, I'm my worst enemy, but I've still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come and say by chance, don't you want me? A man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart. You're a born survivor, and you'll never find yourself in love. You're wise enough. I got troubles, I got sins, I'm my worst enemy, but I still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come and say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart.
So compared to where I was to where I am now, we've gotten a lot done. So this is stuff that all needs hand washed. I've got a few more things that can go in the dishwasher. Once that load's done, I'll just reload it. I've got a bucket of stuff here, or a basket of stuff here that needs put away. My vitamins are out because I'm about to take those, but I'm gonna take a quick break before I go get anything else done. I've got the dining room picked up over there. Table needs wiped off yet. I'm gonna take a quick break. I think I'm gonna read a chapter in a book, eat some lunch, and then we'll get back to some cleaning. Okay, so I'm done with my break. I'm gonna get started hand washing some of these dishes.
We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through, no limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for.
So the whole kitchen is pretty much done other than some hand washing here. I got all the counters done. That is dinner setting out to thaw. All the counters are done. I'm trying not to make you too dizzy. The table is done out there. And then I've got this area over here that is stuff that needs to go to other people or down to the basement. So I'm gonna tackle that yet. I've got some recycling that needs to go out because our recycling only goes every other week, which is a project I plan on working on this summer because we always end up with a build-up of recycling. So I'm looking to maybe build like a box or find like a rolling bin that I can put our recycling in that's lidded. But I'd like to do like a rolling box that I can just put up against the house and it looks nice when it's not garbage day, and I can just roll it down when it is, because you have to go down our driveway because our house is actually set up away from the street. So I don't know if that's a project for the summer though, but that is what I would like to be able to do because we have 2 big rolling bins and it's just not enough for recycling. So anyway, all right, I'm gonna tackle this area here, get that stuff put away, and then maybe we'll start some decorating before we finish the housework today because I would like to get that knocked out. I've got to switch a load of laundry, and then it's mostly just like cleaning and projects that I have to do. So now that the kitchen's where I want it, maybe we'll tackle that decorating. That should be fun. So I have to show you a product that I'm using. I have to show you a product that I'm using, and this is not sponsored, and I actually broke mine, you guys. So I'm gonna show you 2 products actually. And the reason I am is because these have been like life-changing for me. So this stove, when we moved in, was already here. So it's got like a bunch of scratches and stuff and some things that I just can't get off because of the age and condition of the stove. However, when we had the brand new stove in our old home, I picked up and bought this stuff. It's called Ceramibrite, and you can get the whole cleaning kit, which I totally suggest because the price is pretty close. And you get this, and you get, oh no, don't break it. Jeez. See, that's how I broke the last piece. I'll show you the broken one. So you get the cleaner, and then you get 2 of these. You get the little handle, and you get the razor blade thing, which I keep the plastic on mine. Oops, I think it's kind of come off a little bit, but I keep mine put together the best I can so I don't reach my hand in there and cut myself. But anyway, I keep this all together, and you get that, and it gives you the entire cleaning system for your stovetop. Well, I've been using this for probably 2 years. 2 years now, I would say, if not longer. I don't know. Maybe I actually bought this stuff in the house before our last house. So yeah, probably at least three years that I've used it for sure. Well, when I was at the store the other day, I found out that they sell a daily cooktop cleaner. Okay, so this has got, yeah, this has got, it's streak free, and it's got like a degreaser on it. And normally it has a little like yellow cap, but like I said, I broke mine off. It still works. Anyway, if you have black appliances that are really high, like high shine, like I do in my kitchen, this works on every single one of them. You won't have streaks, you won't have fingerprints. So just like an FYI, it is a great item. And like I said, it's not sponsored. It's just something I found and I totally love. So if you're sick of having streaks on your black appliances, it's a great way to get rid of them.
I've been down, I've been everywhere, but I'm alright now. I'm alright. I nearly drowned in my own despair, but
Okay, that looks so much better. I brought up some of our Valentine decor. I'm gonna go down to the basement, grab some more, and I'm gonna grab the bin that my January stuff goes in. I'm very excited to decorate for Valentine's Day.
It's so easy to see that you're in love with me. Carve your name next to mine on that big oak tree. It's how you want it to be. You bring me things from the store and put it at my front door. I've lost count of the times this have happened before. Not that I'm keeping score, 'cause I do the same for you, just like I'm supposed to do. I'm yours, you're mine. If you ever feeling blue, rest assured I've been there too. We just pick up where we left off, then we toe the line. That's fine. Sunday breakfast in bed, strawberry jam on some bread. And if you feel like doing anything today, then go ahead. I just lay here instead, 'cause I do the same for you, just like I'm supposed to do. I'm yours, you're mine. If you ever feeling blue, rest assured I've been there too. We just pick up where we left off, then we toe the line. That's fine. If you ever feeling blue, rest assured I've been there too. We just pick up where we left off, then we toe the line. 'Cause I do the same for you, just like I'm supposed to do. I'm yours, you're mine. If you ever feeling blue, rest assured I've been there too. We just pick up where we left off, then we toe the line. That's fine. It's so easy to see that you're in love with me. Carve your name next to mine on that big oak tree. It's how you want it to be. You bring me things from
Everybody, I hope you enjoyed this cleaning and decorating with me video today. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And click that subscribe button if you have not already. And I will see you in the next video.
Bye.